Joseph George. I am an independent researcher working to develop a new physics called the New Physics Project. Some of you may know about me and my work, and this introduction for people are not aware of this work, New Physics Project. I give you an introduction about my work and about me. I am an independent researcher from India since a long time. I am working to develop a new framework which can explain, provide a better explanation for many phenomena currently we study and explore through the framework of special and general relativity. In fact, based on my studies, mass and energy are not same or equivalent. In fact, based on my studies, mass and energy are completely two different entities. So, according to this study, the release of energy associated with a mass effect not due to conversion of mass into energy, energy. In fact, the release of energy associated with the mass effect is because of a change in the state of matter, just like how a chemical explosion releases energy. So we know that how a chemical explosion releases energy. A chemical, for example, when a chemical substance, an explosive material, when it oxidize, when it react with oxygen, it converts into a superheated gas in a fraction of a second, and this rapid expansion or explosion is the reason for the energy release in the case of chemical explosion. However, based on this new study, a nuclear reaction also releases energy in a similar way, but the ratio of the expansion is incomparable to a chemical explosion. For example, when a TNT, for example, explode, it in a fraction of a second, it converts into for example, a gram of explosive material, for a TNT like material, when it explodes in a fraction of a second, it becomes a 10 cubic feet of superheated gas. However, in a nuclear reaction also, in a nuclear reaction, the missing mass, just like how the explosion works in a volumetric rapid expansion happens in the chemical substance, in a nuclear explosion, nuclear reaction, the missing mass, the nuclear density matter, is rapidly volumetrically expands, but its expansion ratio is incomparable. For example, a gram of missing mass can can expand in a cubic kilometer volume of this light form of matter in a fraction of a means 1 millionth of a second. So, in the both cases, the release of energy, the core physics behind the fundamental physics behind the release of energy in both cases in a chemical or a nuclear reaction is the explosive transformation of the mass. In fact, in chemical explosion, as I said, it's a change in the state of matter. For example, an explosive in a chemical in a solid state is rapidly converted into a superheated gas, and this rapid expansion provides the kinetic energy of the reaction products in a chemical reaction, chemical explosion. Similarly, in a nuclear reaction, this according to this study, in a nuclear reaction, the missing mass in nuclear density matter explosively transform into a super thin form of matter, and this explosion propels the reaction products. So, in that sense, fundamentally, these both are similar explosions. So, there are numerous evidences we can experimentally validate this concept by observing nuclear spent nuclear fuel material collected from radioactive reactors. So many of you know that the fuel pellets, the nuclear fuel pellets, for example, nuclear fuel pellet is a this much size. It's almost this much. A fuel pellet is like almost like this. So when you closely observe through a microscope, electron microscope, or when you magnify millions of times, you can find signature evidences for this explosive transformation. So the microscopic structural and morphological changes happens to a nuclear fuel material. There are, in fact, it has a large number of data we can collect from nuclear fuel material. So it clearly we can reach the conclusion that from these evidences, signature evidences for the micro explosion, so we can reach the confirmation or conclusion that there is a powerful micro explosion. So the missing mass, when you connect this explosion with the mass defect phenomena, we can understand that this explosion happens to missing mass. So this missing mass release energy in a powerful explosion. So the significance of this study is I am talking to people who are not aware of my work. Probably some of you may feel it's repeating same thing. I'm talking to people who are not aware of my work due to this channel. The importance of this discovery is that mass defect is a universal phenomenon. So that is a very important thing to understand, because once we realize that mass defect is explosively transformed into something, since mass defect is a universal phenomenon, every star, every supernova, every neutron star collisions, etc., then we can understand that space itself may be filled with this form of matter. So it has a huge significance in the understanding of the universe. In fact, once we realize the existence of a space-filling substance created by mass defects throughout the universe, there are many phenomena currently we study and explore through the framework of special relativity, general relativity, quantum mechanics, and structure of the atom, propagation of light, and many other things. We'll get a new window. It will open a new window to see and observe the universe. So that is a very interesting thing. So once we realize the existence of a space-filling substance, today, according to our current understanding, space is not considered as filled with something. Space is an empty formation. Generally, people believe that space is an empty formation. So that's why we say the speed of light in empty vacuum of space. But in fact, based on this study, these all terms are not correct. That is, we cannot. There is no empty space exist in the universe, so we can't say speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light, there is vacuum does not exist. So the idea that speed of light in vacuum is a wrong idea, since there is empty space does not exist in the universe. Space is indeed filled with something. So the idea that we can't say that the speed of light in empty space, the empty vacuum, there is no vacuum exist in the universe. But this space-filling substance, the density varies across the universe. For example, because as a form of matter, this space-filling, in fact, this matter is created through mass defects. Mass defect happens when a nuclear density matter, when it rapidly volumetrically expands and explodes. This explosion creates this space-filling substance. So, as a form of matter, this substance will be gravitationally bound to massive bodies. So every massive body such as planets, stars, supernovas, black holes, neutron stars, all these maintains a dense region of this substance around them. So when you, for example, if you travel from, for example, I used to explain like this. Consider we are traveling one edge of a galaxy to the opposite edge. For example, our Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy consists of, according to the current estimation, our galaxy consists of 200 to 400 billion stars. Now think like this, we are traveling from one edge of our Milky Way galaxy to the opposite edge. We know that there are billions of stars in the Milky Way, so when a beam of light travels from one edge of the galaxy to the opposite edge, it will be going through millions of planets, moons, stars, black holes, neutron stars, and all that. So when we travel through this, when you cross from a galaxy, we will be traveling through millions of massive objects. So each time when we approach a massive body, because of the density gradient around every massive body, light will get refracted and bent. So if you draw a path, if you draw the path of light through the Milky Way galaxy, while it crosses from when it travels from one edge to the opposite edge, it will traveling through a curve. Means it's a very irregular path. Path will change multiple times, millions of times. Speed will change millions of times. So this suggests that the speed of light is not a universal constant. So so once we realize speed of light is not a universal constant, that will impact our many of our current theories in physics, because today speed of light is one of the important constant we use in physics calculations. Once we realize that the speed of light is not a universal constant, that will impact our understanding of the universe and current theories in physics. So that is the beauty or the significance of this theory. So I have published many videos on my channel, this channel, discussing about the mass defect and how the spent nuclear fuel, the study of spent nuclear fuel helps to validate this theory, all that. So I welcome you to this new development, and I have also published many books. You can find my book link from my channel. So I welcome you to this channel, and welcome to read my books, and you if you like, you can please share my channel, subscribe my channel, and if you would like to become join as a member, that also will help. So anyway, thank you very much for your interest. Uh, Currently, I am preparing my research paper for peer review. I know it's very difficult. It will take some time for go through the peer review process. I am trying my level best to speed up the process. It will take more time. I'm preparing since I have some time. Now I'm writing, rewriting is happening. The process is going on. Uh, Thank you very much for your uh, interest and support. Uh, so I welcome your questions. I welcome your suggestions, questions, how to improve this channel. I have a limited. I have 23,000 subscribers. I thank one of everybody, every subscribers I have, and you please suggest how to make it more interesting this channel. I welcome your suggestions, comments. Please do share this channel to with your friends, and please share my videos, and you please join this channel. I'm an independent researcher. My friend in USA, uh, Michael Daniel McDonald from USA, he is my supporter. He's supporting since a few years. He really supported me while I was writing my book, Either Assist. Now, that book got a good response, good rating on Amazon. That book I made possible with the help of my friend, Daniel Michael McDonald from Nevada, USA. So I thank him. Even now he is supporting. So I need more support from I expect more support from as a independent researcher. Public support is important for me to continue my research. I'm a full-time researcher. I work full-time on this. My goal is to develop a unified theory which can explain all phenomena regardless of whether it is fundamental or microscopic, macroscopic. I am working to develop a unified theory. With the, I think that I believe that to some extent I succeeded in explaining micro and macro phenomena, macroscopic phenomena through this. The important discovery I made is the fact that space is not empty. It is on some it's a can call like ether, modern ether. If I modern ether, ether concept is not a new concept. Aristotle and ancient Greeks, ancient Indians, ancient Chinese, all they believed some kind of space filling substance. Michelson-Morley experiment resulted in the complete rejection of the idea. But the thing is that, based on my research, the Michelson-Morley experiment that kind of experiment cannot detect this kind of space filling substance because every body has a dense region of this media around it. So when the body moves through space, the medium co-moves with the body. So it creates a local region. So when you do experiment inside this local region, you cannot find any difference in speed. That is the simple explanation for the null result of the Michelson-Morley experiment. In fact, the null result of Michelson-Morley experiment does not disprove the existence of a space filling substance. That is an important factor. So, this study, according to this study, is space filling substance is a reality, not a imagination or just a hypothesis. In fact, space filling substance is a reality. So once we realize that, that will open up a window to the universe, and when you look the universe through that window, it will open up a new horizon of knowledge. So even UFO phenomena, we can find a better understanding of the working of UFOs, and also perhaps it may lead to the development of futuristic propulsion systems, futuristic flying crafts. Perhaps we'll be able to make interplanetary and interstellar travels through that technology. That is a very strong possibility. I sincerely believe that in coming years, with the artificial intelligence, I am also now using the power of artificial intelligence to verify my hypothesis and fine tune my theoretical effort. So, in fact, artificial intelligence is helping me so much. Actually, it's helping me very much. I am very thankful to that development. So, it is helping me so much. So, I sincerely believe that this artificial intelligence will help to propel or make giant leaps in this development in a forward direction. That is a very big thing to me. So I'm taking all the advantage of the artificial intelligence. So it is, in fact, it is a very helpful development for me. Okay. So, um, with your sorry for the trouble, I am with your permission. I am also eating. Who bought it? Me. Hello. My son saying is that I am eating like a monkey. Do you agree with that? See, he calling again me monkey. So, you can ask me questions if you have anyone. I'm happy to answer your questions. this background. This background is not a artificial AI image. It's actually is my home. I my hometown, near my hometown. This place is very close to my house in Kerala. You can see this is that one point, one mountain like thing. You can see, no. That is Anamudi. I think it's Anam. No, not Anamudi. I forgot this name. It's in Idiki district. The one, I think that is uh, the tallest mountain in Idiki district. I think I don't exactly, but that is that place is close to my house in Kerala. So that is a very green. I am standing that time. I took this photo sometimes back. Some, I think 1 year, some 8 months before I took this photo. I went to there. It's a very beautiful place with a lot of spice. And my first book I mentioned about this place. The place name is Prakashagram in Idiki district. If you search Prakashagram in Idiki district, you will get details about that area. So it is close to Tamil Nadu state, Kerala, India, Tamil Nadu state of India. It's a very beautiful green place. So it's a real photo, not art AI made photo. It's a real place. Mm, mm. So I welcome your questions, comments. I